Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to dive into the stock market and find out which American companies have been crushing it in 2024, you're in the right place. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the companies that aren't just riding the wave of innovation, they're creating it. From AI and cloud computing to electric vehicles and digital ads, these companies are shaping the future, and their stock prices reflect that. We're going to break down their incredible growth, understand what's driving their success, and why they should be on every investor's radar. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the top 5 American companies absolutely dominating the stock market in 2024. First up, let's talk about Nvidia, a company that needs no introduction, especially in 2024. This year, they've cemented their position as the absolute king of the AI chip world. I mean, we're talking about a stock price that skyrocketed by over 100% this year alone. You don't see those kinds of gains without doing something seriously right. So what's fueling this meteoric rise? In a word, AI. The demand for artificial intelligence applications is exploding, and Nvidia's graphics processing units, or GPUs, are the driving force behind it all. Think about it. Machine learning, big data, massive data centers. All of these cutting-edge fields rely on the power of Nvidia's GPUs. They're the backbone of the AI revolution, and that revolution is just getting started. But it's not just about AI. Nvidia still dominates the gaming world. Their GPUs are the gold standard for gamers who demand the absolute best performance. So, you've got this incredible combination of being at the forefront of two massive growing markets, AI and gaming. And look, I'm a big believer in investing in companies that are shaping the future. Nvidia is doing exactly that. They're not just keeping up with the demand for AI processing power, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. For investors, Nvidia has been a dream stock in 2024. And with the AI boom showing no signs of slowing down, Nvidia is well positioned to continue its incredible growth trajectory. This is a company that's only going to become more important as AI becomes more integrated into every aspect of our lives. So if you're looking for a long-term winner in the tech space, Nvidia is definitely worth a close look. Next up, we have the company that's become synonymous with electric vehicles, Tesla. And let me tell you, 2024 has been another phenomenal year for Elon Musk and his team. We're talking about a stock surge of 80%. A clear sign that investors are just as excited about Tesla's future as they were a year ago. But here's the thing, Tesla's growth isn't just about electric cars anymore. Don't get me wrong, their cars are still a huge part of their success. But Tesla is evolving into something much bigger, an energy company that's redefining how we power our world. Their gigafactories aren't just churning out electric vehicles, they're producing batteries and energy storage solutions at an unprecedented scale. Tesla's solar energy business is also gaining serious traction, making them a major player in the renewable energy space. And let's not forget about the anticipation surrounding the Cybertruck. This thing is going to be a game changer, and its release is only going to fuel Tesla's growth even further. But Tesla's success isn't just about technology, it's about vision. Elon Musk has this incredible ability to see the future and build it, even if it seems impossible at first. And that's what makes Tesla such an exciting company to watch. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo and disrupt entire industries. So, while their stock price is already through the roof, I think Tesla still has a lot of room to grow. They're at the forefront of two of the biggest trends shaping our future: electric vehicles and sustainable energy. And as long as they continue to innovate and execute on their vision, Tesla will remain a dominant force for years to come. Now, let's talk about a company that's been around for decades but is showing no signs of slowing down. Microsoft. 2024 has been another outstanding year for the tech giant, and it's all thanks to their strategic focus on two of the most transformative technologies out there, cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform has become a true behemoth in the industry. Businesses of all sizes are flocking to Azure for its reliability, scalability, and the sheer range of services it offers. We're talking about everything from basic data storage to advanced machine learning capabilities. Azure has it all. And speaking of AI, Microsoft isn't just providing the infrastructure for it. They're deeply invested in developing their own AI solutions. Their partnership with OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has been a stroke of genius. It's given them a significant edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. This combination of cloud dominance and AI expertise is what's driving Microsoft's continued success. Their stock has surged by 60% this year, and I think there is still plenty of upside potential. The way I see it, cloud computing is still in its early innings. More and more companies are realizing the benefits of moving their operations to the cloud, and Microsoft is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. And as AI becomes even more integrated into our lives, Microsoft's AI capabilities will only become more valuable. They're already using AI to enhance their existing products like Office and Windows, and they're constantly exploring new ways to leverage AI across different industries. So, while Microsoft might not be the flashiest tech company out there, they're incredibly well positioned for long-term growth. They're a solid bet for investors who are looking for exposure to the cloud and AI revolutions. Of course, we can't talk about top-performing American companies without mentioning the one and only Apple. 2024 has been another banner year for the tech giant, proving once again that they're masters of innovation, brand loyalty, and of course, generating massive revenue. Their new product releases, like the iPhone 15, the latest Apple Watch, and their ever-evolving MacBooks, have been met with the usual fanfare and, more importantly, strong sales. What's remarkable about Apple is their ability to consistently deliver products that people not only want, but feel they need to have. But Apple's success goes beyond just shiny new gadgets. They've created an ecosystem, a walled garden, some might say, that keeps customers coming back for more. The seamless integration between iPhones, Macs, Apple Watches, AirPods, and their suite of services like Apple Music and Apple Pay creates a level of convenience and user experience that's hard to match. And let's not forget about their premium pricing strategy. Apple products are rarely the cheapest option, but their customers are willing to pay a premium for the perceived quality, design, and status that comes with owning an Apple device. This winning combination has resulted in Apple's stock price soaring by over 50% in 2024. They're a cash-generating machine, and their massive user base gives them a distinct advantage in the increasingly competitive tech landscape. While some might argue that Apple's innovation has slowed in recent years, I'd say they're being strategic. They're focusing on refining their existing products, expanding their services, and slowly but surely entering new markets like augmented reality and potentially even electric vehicles. Apple is a company that knows how to play the long game. They've weathered their share of storms and emerged stronger each time. For investors looking for a relatively safe bet in the tech sector, Apple remains a solid choice. Last but certainly not least, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a company that's become so ingrained in our lives, it's practically a verb. And guess what? They've had another stellar year in 2024, proving once again that they're the undisputed kings of digital advertising. Google's search engine dominance is almost unfair at this point. It's the go-to destination for billions of people worldwide, and advertisers know it. This gives Alphabet a license to print money, with their ad revenue continuing to climb year after year. But here's the thing. Alphabet isn't content with just resting on their laurels. They're making major moves in other potentially lucrative areas, particularly in the world of artificial intelligence. Google Cloud, their cloud computing platform, is steadily gaining ground on its competitors, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. And with the explosion of data being generated every day, the demand for cloud computing is only going to increase. But it's Alphabet's AI research and development that I find truly exciting. They've made significant strides in areas like machine learning, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars with their Waymo subsidiary. This commitment to AI is what's going to drive Alphabet's growth in the years to come. They're using AI to enhance their existing products, like Google Search and Google Assistant, and they're exploring entirely new applications for AI across various industries. Alphabet's stock price reflects this optimism, having risen by 40% in 2024. They're a company that's constantly evolving, constantly innovating, and always looking for the next big thing. For investors, Alphabet represents a unique opportunity to invest in a company that's dominant in the present while actively shaping the future. They're a leader in digital advertising, a major player in cloud computing, and a pioneer in artificial intelligence, a trifecta that's hard to beat. So, there you have it, the top 5 American companies that have absolutely crushed it in the stock market in 2024. From AI and cloud computing to electric vehicles and digital ads, these companies are not only riding the wave of innovation, but also transforming entire industries. Of course, investing always carries risk, but these companies have proven to be strong players in the current market. If you're considering investing, keep an eye on these sectors. Tech, AI, and sustainability are clearly the future. Let me know in the comments. Which of these companies do you think will continue to dominate the stock market? Are there any other companies you're keeping an eye on in 2024? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us.